And now I am going to solve the graded assignment. Okay, so here is scrubbing HTML data with beautiful soap. So this is using beautiful soap we are going to solve here. Okay, so here this is the assignment. So I will first solve it and then after I will resume it and show you, so I can save your time and optimize the video. So guys, to solve this you have to go you have to open the online DB. So you can just go on your browser and type online, okay, and DB. Online DB you type and click enter. Okay, then after you have to go and open this. Okay, and then after you go and select Python 3, and this is the code actually you have to paste. So this code you have to go and type. So I will zoom it so you can see it. Okay, so you type this code and you can pause this video and type this code, guys, if you are feeling discomfort. Okay, because I want you learn, you just don't copy and paste, otherwise I would keep in the video comment section also, but I want you go through the code. Okay guys, so this is the code you have to write, exactly you have to write, and this is Python. So take care about indentation, so you don't do any mistake in indentation, otherwise you will get problem. Okay, then after we will go and run this sample. Okay, so I am going to zoom out it and run it. Okay, and Control Shift V and enter. Sometime it takes time to give the data due to net speed and other factor. So you can see here it is taking time, it is not showing me data. Right guys, you can see it is not showing, so you need not to worry, just you stop in that case and again you copy this code and again reload the page. Okay, reload. So it happen, it is frequently it happen, you need not to worry, and again you paste the code and again I will go and copy this. Okay, and I will go back and I will run again. Okay, Control Shift V, enter. So you can see here count is 15 and sum is 2553. So count is 15 and the sum is, you can see that is our work is done for the sample data is correct. Now we have to go and run our actual data. So for actual we need this URL. Even you can do in local address, you need not to worry, but I want to make the things easier for you, so I am telling you the optimal way. Control Shift V, enter. So you can see here again it is taking time. So I think it will not complete here, I will again reload the page and run. So same procedure you have to follow. It's happen, it is common thing, you need not to get more hectic about this. You just in that case you do reload the page and complete the work. Control V, again I will go, I will copy this. Okay, I will come back, I will run again and Control Shift V, I will paste this, enter. So this may not run one time, two time, three time, five times. This happen. This will happen. This is common thing. Still, it is not working. You can see, guys. Again, I will stop and run this. Okay, okay. So you can hear there is refresh page it required. Okay. So this happen, you need not to worry. I am not just cutting this video, I am just showing you that you will face this issue. Okay, so you can see here something it is showing. You need not to worry, you keep on trying, it will give the actual output. Alright, so I am keeping on. You can see here now it is not working. I have to stop and again try it. So it sometimes it is stuck. Okay, so enter. You can see I have already tried 4 times, but still I am not getting. So guys, you try to understand this happen. This is the common problem. Control X again. I will refresh, reload it. Okay, and I will again go and take this. This is the actual data we need, right guys? And I will again run it. Control V. Okay. And now you can see here the count is 50 and sum is 2478. So this is done 2478. So ending with 78. So sum is 2478 guys, and our code is this. So you can see with multiple try I solved this, right guys? So you need not to worry once 5 times, 6 times, even sometime it will take 20 times, and sometime even 20 times will not be enough. So you can see here your answer is correct. So you keep on trying, you wait and keep on trying, and you are getting more problem, then guys you can contact me, I will help you out. So I will refresh it. Okay guys, so you can see here this is done, and 100% our score is 100%. Okay guys, I hope you are now clear.